Dear student, welcome to Lagos Public School and College online class. I hope everybody stay in your home and everybody quite well. Dear student, today I will discuss with you another creative questions of this chapter number 5.4. I hope everybody enjoy my class and this is the last creative questions of this chapter. Okay, today I write a creative questions. My stream is 3 into a square minus 7a plus 12, 6 into a square plus a minus 20, 9 into a square plus 2a minus 15 are three algebraic expressions. My first questions, resolve x square minus y square minus z square plus 2yz into factor. My first question is not related with stream. It is not related with stream. Number B, find the HCF of first and second expressions. Number C, find the LCM of the three expressions. Okay, at first I write down number A questions. Resolve x square minus y square minus z square plus 2yz into factor. Okay, my given expression is x square minus y square minus z square plus 2yz. Okay, now you can think x square minus y square, it is a formula. It is the formula of a square minus b square form. So anybody think apply to a square minus b square form. We can write it x plus y into x minus y, but it is not right process. It is wrong process. Okay. Now we can write it x square minus y square minus will be plus z square minus plus minus minus 2yz. এখন আমি যদি এই লাস্ট তিনটা টার্ম থেকে যদি মাইনাস কমন নেই তাহলে আমি কি পাচ্ছি y স্কয়ার প্লাস z স্কয়ার মাইনাস 2yz. আমরা we know a minus b whole square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now I arrange this term. We can arrange it y square minus 2yz plus z square. Okay, y square minus 2yz plus z square. It is the formula of a minus b whole square. So we can write it a minus b whole square. Here a means y and b thing z. So we can write it x square y minus z square. It is the another formula x square minus y minus z whole square. Now you think if x equal to a and y minus z equal b, then it will be a square minus b square. We know a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. So we can write it a plus b into a minus b. Here a mean x and b mean y minus z. So we can write it x plus y plus z into x minus y. This minus and then it will be plus y z. So we find out x square minus y square minus z square plus 2yz. Factor is x plus y plus z into x minus y plus z. This is the answer of this factor. I hope everybody understand my first questions number A. Okay. Number B. Find the HCF of first and second expressions. First and second expressions. Number B. Given first expression is first expression 3 into a square minus 7a plus 12. Okay, 3 will be fixed. Then it is a middle term factor. A square minus 7a plus 12 equal is a middle term factor. Constant number equal 12, so we can write it 3 4 12. Point minus 3 and minus 4, minus 3 and minus 4, then it will be minus 7. When we multiply 3 into 4, then it will be minus 12. So we can write it minus 3 minus 4, then it will be minus 7. So we can write it a square minus 3a minus 4a plus 12. Okay, 3 equal a minus 3. First two expression থেকে আমরা we take a common, minus 4 a plus a minus minus 3 4 12. Common factor here a minus 3. So we can write it 3 into a minus 3 into a minus 4. Okay, second expression 6 into a square plus a minus 20. Okay, here 6 is fixed. A square plus a minus 20, it is the middle term factor. 20, so we can write it 20 equal 4 5 20. We can write it 6 into a square plus 5a minus 4a minus 20. 6 into, we can write it a plus 5 minus 4 common nibo. We can write it a minus minus plus 4 5 20. So we can write a plus 5 into a minus 4. Here common factor is a plus 5. Common factor is a plus 5. So we can write 6 into a plus 5 and another factor will be a minus 4. Okay. Now we find out the LCM. Sorry, HCF. HCF হতে হলে কি হতে হবে? Both expression common factor থাকতে হবে. Okay. So at first I find out the coefficient of numerical coefficient of 3 and 6. Numerical coefficient here 3 and 6. At first I find out the HCF of 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 HCF কি হবে? 3. 3 and HCF হবে কত? 3. So we can write it the required, we can write it HCF of 3 and 6. 3 and 6, then it will be 3. HCF of 3 and 6, then it will be 3. So the required HCF is 3. Here common factor. At first I find out the common factor a minus 4. A minus 4 and a minus 4. A minus 4 is the common factor of both expression. A minus 4 is the common factor of both expressions. So a minus 4 is the HCF of this factor of this expression. So we can write it 3 into a minus 4. So find the HCF of first and second expression. The first and second expression HCF we find out 3 into a minus 4. Okay, I hope everybody understand and it is the answer. Okay, number C, find the LCM of 3 expressions. So we need to help first first expression and second expressions beru. So we can write 3 into a square minus 7 plus 12 equal to, we can write 3 into a minus 4. We need to help. Number B, number C, first expression equal 3 into a square minus 7a plus 12. So we can write it 3 into a minus 3 into a minus 4. Second expression, second expressions, 6 into a square plus a minus 20. We can write it 6 into a plus 5 into a minus 4. We can write it 6 into a plus 5 into a minus 4. Third expressions, third expressions, third expression, 9 into third expressions, 9 into a square plus 2a minus 15. We can write it 15 equal 3 5 15. So we can write it 9a square plus 5a. We can write it plus 5a minus 3a minus 15. Okay, 9 square a plus 5 minus 3. Then it will be a, this minus it will be plus, minus minus the plus. So you can write here common factor is a plus 5. 9 into a plus 5. Another factor will be a minus 3. Okay. Same way we find out 3, 6 and 9 LCM. LCM of 3, 6 and 9. LCM of 3, 6 and 9. LCM of 3, 6 and 9. It will be 3, 6, 9. We can write it 1, 2 and 3. Then it will be 18. Okay, LCM of 3, 6, 9 equal 18. At first I find out the coefficient of 3, 6 and 9. Find out the LCM. আমরা কি করেছি, সাংখ্যিক সহগ যেগুলো আছে 3, 6 এবং 9 এর কি করেছি, লসাগু ফাইন্ড আউট করেছি, LCM ফাইন্ড আউট করেছি। The LCM of 3, 6, 9 equal 18. So we can write it the required LCM. The required LCM is 18. At first I write common factor. Common factor a minus 4, a minus 4, a minus 4. Uncommon a plus 5, a plus 5. Okay. Uncommon factor a minus 3, a minus 3. ওকে, দেখো আমাদের প্রথম এক্সপ্রেশনে a minus 4 ফার্স্ট এবং সেকেন্ড এক্সপ্রেশন কমন ফ্যাক্টর, সো উই টেক a minus 4. সেকেন্ড অ্যান্ড থার্ড এক্সপ্রেশনে a plus 5 কমন ফ্যাক্টর, তার জন্য আমি কত a plus 5 লিখেছি। ফার্স্ট এবং থার্ড এক্সপ্রেশনে a minus 3 হলো কমন ফ্যাক্টর, তার জন্য a minus 3 কমন ফ্যাক্টর লিখেছি। I hope everybody understand this creative questions and it is the last creative question of this chapter. তোমরা প্রিভিয়াস যে ক্রিয়েটিভ কোশ্চেনগুলো করেছে এগুলো বাসায় কি করবে, প্র্যাকটিস করবে এবং এই জাতীয় ক্রিয়েটিভ কোশ্চেন তোমাদের বিভিন্ন বই থেকে করার চেষ্টা করবে। থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিবডি।